This is our workshop that we are renovating right now. We have already painted the walls, we have sanded down the floors, we have renovated maybe 2 or 3 shelves that were here, and cleaned up all the junk from the previous owner. Tak vám mrdá, musíte teďka chcípat, teďka někdo musí chcípat, kámo, chytat záchvaty tady někde do Now, what we have to do, and what we are already in the middle of, is vacuuming up the floors. Here's Dave, look at him, he has the vacuum, and he looks like a model over here, look at him. So as I was saying, we have to vacuum up the floors. I am having this very like rough bristle broom that I am scratching up the stones from all these cracks and crevices in the floor, as you can see. There's a lot of little chips and stones that we have to vacuum up from there as well. And yeah, and then Dave goes over it with the vacuum again. Yeah. And then we can start putting the first layer of penetration. We have to do 2, because this cement is very rough, and 1 is not gonna be enough. And that rhymed. I mean, vomit on your sweater already. Mom spaghetti. All right, so the floor is finished, or the first layer of penetration is finished. It's nicely drying up everywhere, which is nice, apart from a few spots over there, which are slightly more oily, but I think it'll suck up soon enough. Now we wait for a few hours, and then we do the second layer. What are those?
They are my Crocs.
Okay, so the floor is finished. Now we just wait for it to dry, maybe a day or 2. And when it does, we are going to paint it, and that will be job done. So exciting, it looks so good. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Okay, so the floor is all dried up. It looks really good now how it is, but it's very easy to stain the floor because it's only bare cement that is pretty straight, actually, to be honest. I'm pleasantly surprised with how straight it is. I did also off camera go around with some polyurethane filler, or I don't know what you call it. It's like this type of glue, just to get all the cracks around the walls, because there were some holes on where the cement connects to the wall. So that has been done. It was an annoying job, but kind of satisfying, to be honest. Now, what's left to do is penetrate the floor once more, but with just a very small layer and not as concentrated, so the cement doesn't suck that much of the cement color we're going to be putting on.
Hey, step bro, are you stuck? Edit as edit.
Paint is mixed up, and now we can start painting. Finally, the final step of the painting process of this workshop. We're gonna start, or at least I'm going to start, with the edges we masked out, because once we do the floors around the edges, we cannot get to the edges anymore. So, yep, let's do that. right, so the floor is completely dried up, done. See, I'm in my shoes. I can walk on it now without being scared of it being stained. It's just, I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's not perfect. It's not an epoxy floor that is super flat, but it is way, way better than what was here before. What do you think, Dave?
I don't even want to step on it with my shoes on.
Not with those.
They are my Crocs.
They are my Crocs.
It looks so good. It looks so good. But something came into the mail today. What is it, Dave?
Tools? Tables? I
Lot
don't know what
of
this
tools, lot of tools, lot of
Yeah.
gear for the workshop. Let's unbox it and put it inside somehow. Till varje. Okej, proszę. Skulle vi göra. You can see whose idea it was to buy this thing. All right, so everything is pretty much unboxed. There's still some stuff over here packaged, of course, because we do not have places to put them for now. But at least so we can put it onto something or somewhere, so it's not just lying on the floor. We took out these shelves that we painted in previous episode. There's the rest of them. We're going to put one, which is a 1 row over here, and then we're gonna make a one that is 2 row over here by the lift. So not really close to the lift, so you can still walk around the car when there's a car on the lift, but just in the space, because we don't have much room in the walls, because that wall we want to leave pretty much empty. And here on every single part where you can put like a shelf or something is either a radiator or a light. So we have to be very creative with where we put all sorts of shelves and tables. So we have all new hardware to put the shelves together. Let's do it. Kurwa. Alrighty then, we got this shelf all done, and as you can see, we brought in this beautiful, almost like brand new table. We got it secondhand from a guy that was having it for like 2 years, not using it like a single time. The only thing that is bad with it is these 2 scratch marks that you can barely see from transporting it, that he did, not us. And so we basically have a brand new table for half the price, which is awesome. A good, sturdy table in the workshop is something you would really, really want to have. So we're so happy with this buy. It is a 4 meter wide and I think 80 deep, if I'm not mistaken, and 90 centimeters high. So it's a very, very big table and it's plenty of room to do like literally anything. So that is awesome. Now, this shelf, we're gonna move it to a better spot, clean up this mess a little. Off camera, I already changed the oil in my grandma's Golf. That's why you see a lot of cardboard and all that stuff in the area around the lift. And yeah, all those tools that do not have a space, we still don't have like cupboards and stuff. So we're just gonna unpack them and put them somewhere, probably on the table or on the shelf. Just give them a for now spot before we get like cupboards and different mounts for them and stuff like that. So we're just gonna clean it up here right now and make it look a little bit more as we want it to look. Vete, esto también.
Mám udělat trickshot, víš co? To nedá, mrtě ne. No pojď. Ta pantofle tam, vole. Kurva!
Nazdar! Hey, strike!
Nazdar.
Wow! Don't worry, my organizing skills are not this quick. To figure out how we're gonna put all these tools on the whole wall, or what you call this panel on the wall, it took us about like 2 hours to figure out the best way, and we still have some room for more stuff here. So, because this is definitely not all the tools we're gonna use. So, just to be transparent. Dave, what do you think about the workshop?
Well, I'm happy that it's done, and I can finally put my oil leaking BMW on our new floor. So it's gonna get dirty, and I don't care. Yeah.
All right, so the workshop is pretty much done. There's still a lot of stuff here to be done, like little bits and details, but as of now, it is new floor, painted walls, pretty much equipped with most of the tools you're gonna need for the basic maintenance stuff and mechanical stuff on a car. Now we're just going to slowly be adding on stuff that you realize you need or all that stuff, but if we had to make the workshop all done and all finished in this video, then this video would come out maybe in like a year. So it looks phenomenal. I'm so happy with how this place turned out. It completely transformed to how it looked before. So I'm over the moon. Now we can finally start working on the cars. We have to get the Miata ready for the season. And there is a project car that is coming on the channel that I'm very excited to show you. It's gonna be such a cool and such a big project to take on. But stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned for that.